my Proki for my CS50 project number 1. In this I'll be showing you the 7 specifications. So number 1 is entry pages. So the first one will be that I have to prove that my thing can do this, and then when I type CSS, I'll press enter. It takes me to the CSS page, and it is an existing entry. Cricket just disappeared because I removed it from my files, locally stored. And now it also should prove that if I press /wiki and press random letters or a random entry page, it should show an error page. The next one is index page, and as you can see here, this is home, my index page here, and it shows me all the entry pages. Next one is search, so I should be able to search CSS and it takes me straight to the page. Now if I search up SS, it shows CSS in my search results, and now if I just type in a lot of numbers, it just says no results. Well, there's no results over here. So now let's just go back home, and now the new page thing. So we have, if I click on create new Proki page, I type in cricket, and then I go into this one and paste some things, and if I create new page, do you know how this shows Markdown content? Now to prove that I also have this one, Markdown to HTML conversion. If I click on it again, it's converted to HTML, and this takes me to Python, and this becomes a heading. Excuse me. So the next one is, also for the new page one, if I create a new page that already exists, so if I redo cricket, actually I forgot its name, so CSS and blab one, it says page already exists and I can't do it anymore. Now the next one is edit page. So on each entry you should be able to edit the page. Now if I go into cricket, press edit, now I should be able to add extra stuff like and then write down here some more stuff like this. So like type that and do that, and then go like this /wiki/html, and now if I press edit page, click on that, it takes me this and it works. So that proves this is working. And now in random page function, it works. It shows everything, every single page has been shown. And those are all the 7 main points covered for the specifications.